y'all, it's me, Serena. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad to have you here with me today. In today's video, I have this month's Wantable, and this month I got an Active Edit. If you're not familiar with Wantable, it is a subscription styling service where you get your own personal stylist who curates I can't count, 7 items for you. You get 5 days to try them out in the comfort of your own home, and you get all this for a $20 styling fee, which of course gets applied to anything that you keep from the box. And if you keep five items or more from your box, you get a 20% discount, which is pretty good. So that's the way Wantable works. And of course, if you would like to try Wantable and you never have, you can sign up using my link down in the description box, and you'll get a $30 credit on your first box. So that will cover your styling fee plus a little bit more. So pretty good way to try it out. And the nice thing about Wantable is they have a variety of different style boxes. So the traditional box is called Style Edit, and that is your jeans, your tops, your sweaters, cardigans, t-shirts, shorts, things like that. Streetwear is what I would call it. Another edit they have is what I got this month, and that is the Activewear edit. So in that, you're gonna get hoodies, shorts, leggings, sports bras, all that type thing for workout wear. And they also have a sleep and body edit, I think it's called. I've never tried that one, but it's more loungewear and bras, underwear, that type thing. And then they also have different themed edits that you can do, and they're changing those all the time. So they're doing stuff constantly just to keep it fresh. So it's a really fun subscription box to try, and I find that their items are very on trend and appropriate for the season and your age. So I'm 52 and I like Wantable, but I think someone who is 22 could do Wantable because you go through, you favorite items on their stream, so your stylist gets a good idea of the things that you like and the things that you don't. And of course it's customized to your sizing and all that good stuff. So give it a try. And this month, like I said, I did an Active Edit, and I got some beautiful things, so can't wait to show them to you. So this first outfit, love it. This little navy dog mom t-shirt, and of course it's appropriate that I got a dog mom t-shirt because one of my dogs is laying right here. This is Miss Coco. She's just napping on the pillows here on the couch in my office. So love this dog mom t-shirt, and it is by, who's this by? 78 and Sunny, and this t-shirt is $42. Oh, and speaking of prices, if you keep 5 items or more, did I say this already? Maybe I did. You get a 20% discount. Okay. So the t-shirt is $42, and then these shorts, these are by Free People Movement, which is the Activewear branch of the Free People brand, and these are called the Way Home short. And these shorts have been super popular among younger girls. They may be out for them now, for all I know. I don't know. I can't keep up with what the young girls are doing, but I tried these and I really like them because they're a great activewear short, and the way they have that really thick wide waistband, it really helps to suck and hold you in. So I really like that aspect about them, and I love this bright color. It's called Sparkling Citrus, and these are in a size medium on me, and those are $30. The t-shirt was a size small. So super cute outfit. Great for walking the dogs when it's warmer, going for walks, going for a run, just whatever activity you've got going on, this would be a great outfit. Okay, this next outfit features 3 pieces from my box: the tank top, the bike shorts, and this hoodie. The hoodie I love. First of all, I love the color purple, and the hoodie is purple, and it's by Coliseum. It's called the Serenity Full Zip Hoodie in the color Black Cherry, and this is a size small. The price on this is $29.99, and as you can see, it's got the thumb holes and all that good stuff, but I'm not a big thumb hole person, so I'll just cuff the sleeves and wear it like that. But it's super soft, love it. And then underneath the hoodie, I'm wearing the Naya tank top in the color Sky. This is by MPG Sport, and it is a size small. I really like this tank top, and it's kind of perforated at the bottom so you can see through it. It's on the verge of being too small. I would prefer that it be a little bit looser and more flowy rather than that fitted all the way around. So I might try to exchange this for a medium if they have one. We'll see. But I do love the color and the style, and it is $38. And then the shorts, these are by Beyond Yoga, which, oh my gosh, if you haven't tried Beyond Yoga, get yourself a Wantable, Active Edit, and request some Beyond Yoga items, because these are my favorite. Now, they aren't cheap, but these are the most buttery, soft shorts and leggings I own. They are my favorites. I was introduced to the brand through Wantable, which is another great thing about using this subscription service. You're going to try brands that you may not have heard of or may not have seen anywhere. And I love Beyond Yoga. And these shorts, I love a bike short in the summertime. I love to wear them just with big oversized t-shirts. And the great thing about these is they do have the pockets on the side, so if you're out walking, you can put your cell phone in there. So love that about these. And these are just a charcoal gray. So a great color that would go with anything. And these are in a size medium. I find in all the Beyond Yoga items, the shorts or leggings, I do wear a size medium. So love these, and these are $72. Okay, this last outfit just makes me smile. And this is a little bit out of my comfort zone, you know, wearing something like this, but this blue color is stunning. It is a show stopper. And I would wear this to an exercise class at my gym. I wouldn't wear it out running around unless I had a jacket over it. I'm not that body confident, but how gorgeous. And this set is also by Beyond Yoga. This is the Space Dive Focus Cropped Tank in Capri Blue. This is a size large. I requested a large in this just because of my bust size, and I think that was the right move. I probably could have worn the medium, but I feel like it would have been really tight. And then it's the matching legging, and the leggings are a size medium, and these are called the Caught in the Midi legging. So they're a midi length, but as you can see on me, since I'm so short, they look like full length, but really they're more of a 7/8 length legging, so they're the perfect length for me. Now the leggings are $97, and the top is $68. So like I said, Beyond Yoga is not inexpensive, but it's one of those things that I will say it is worth it. It's worth adding a couple of those pieces to your wardrobe because you will love it that much. I promise you. I love my Beyond Yoga. It feels so buttery soft. And this color, I mean, how can you not be happy in this blue color? So, couple of other things I wanted to discuss in this video. First of all, the sneakers that you have seen in this video, those are actually from Walmart. And I showed this in one of my posts back a few weeks ago. These, y'all, are so flippin' comfortable. They are by the Avia brand at Walmart. I love the colors in these. They have a really thick, cushy, supportive insole, and they're under $25. I think they're $24.98. Less than $25. That's a steal. I highly recommend these shoes by Avia. They're true to size. I'm wearing my normal size 6.5. They also come in wide widths and different colors, and I'll have those linked in the description box down below. And so to round out the video, so some of you saw a couple of videos back where I didn't wear any makeup in my video when I had mentioned I had a chemical peel done. So I just wanted to give you kind of an update on my chemical peel and all that. So for the most part, it was very mild. The first 2 sessions was just mild flaking. The last session I did, the third and final one, she topped it off with some retinol, and that really kind of set me off. I had more intense redness and a lot more flaking. I mean, I had flaking and my skin would like clear up from the flaking, and then it would flake again. I don't know how many layers of skin I went through with the flaking, but it was a few. And I can tell a difference in the texture and the feel of my skin. It feels great. I think it was worth it. I have noticed a difference in my fine lines, especially, you know, here on my cheeks and the places where I have those little fine lines. It has diminished the look of those. One thing I don't feel like it did anything to is my sun damage. And you can't tell too much because I've got makeup on today, but I do have some pretty significant melasma spots over here and down on my cheeks. You may be able to see them somewhat through my makeup. I don't think the peel that I did anything for those at all. I mean, it might have done a little bit, but I really can't tell a difference. But really, this peel was for skin texture. There are some other treatments that are more targeted toward lightening and brightening skin discolorations from the sun or hormones or whatever it may be. That is the verdict. Would I do it again? Yes, I would. And I think it was a good experience. And other than, you know, a few days of mild discomfort and just annoyance, it really was no big deal. So that's an update on my chemical peel. So thank you all for joining me today. I appreciate you. And again, don't forget, if you want to try out Wantable, I've got the link in the description box down below. You will get a $30 credit on your first box if you use my link and sign up for Wantable. So until I see you guys in my next video, have a stylish day. Bye-bye.